What's up, guys? This is Walker with the Car Guys YouTube channel. We have a 2022 F250 King Ranch trim level. Look at this amazing truck. We're about to dive in right now, starting with the front. Look at this beautiful thing. So specific to the King Ranch, look at that very nice front grille with the chrome accents. You have your fog lights and also your typical beams right here. You do get the tow hooks on the front, makes things a little bit more easier for getting your buddies out of the ruts. So moving around to the side, you do have your King Ranch specific rims, and then we did a tire swap on these. We added some Toyo MTs to this thing. It's looking great. Very nice two-tone. The paint is star white. So there's your King Ranch F250 badging, and then coming down here lets you know that we have the 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel. So this does have your FX4 package. That lets you know you have your upgraded suspension, upgraded tires, and then you also do get your skid plates. You come around to the back, you do have your backup parking sensors, lets you know when you're getting close to somebody, your backup camera right here, and then your King Ranch specific back, beautiful look. Your 4 and 7-pin connectors along with that trailer hitch at the bottom. Great looking truck. Look at that angle right there. Looks like we put a bed liner in this thing, and those are the original tires that came on the vehicle. Hydraulic release for the tailgate, and then also you do have your tailgate step right here, makes getting in and out of the back of the truck very easy. Got your power hookup in the back, and also you do have your light for the bed and different tie downs in the back as well. And we're gonna move to the inside of this thing. And you notice we do have our keypad as well, and also the touchless entry, or keyless entry, I should say. Looks like we added a tint to this thing as well. We do not want to roll down those windows. Interior color is Java. Very, very nice look with the star white two-tone on the outside. You do have your power seats. You've got your lighting options. You've got your pedal adjustments. You got your bed light. You've got your tailgate release. Memory seating. Very nice for multiple drivers. And moving to the inside of this thing, we're gonna start it up. Great animation. But when you start it up, different truck information that you can pan through. A lot of towing stuff, off-road information, different settings, different trip and fuel information, and also you can have your favorites of information to be shown. So on the steering wheel here, you do have your regular cruise control, and then some different audio settings. And then you can pan through your drive modes right here, and we'll show you how that looks. So you got normal, tow haul, eco, slippery, and deep snow sand. We'll get out of that. This does have your 10-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system, so premium audio, very crisp, clean highs, and the deep bellowing lows of your Bang & Olufsen. You're gonna love it. So I believe this is a 12-inch center screen, so you do have your Sync 4 system operating out of this. So different phone settings, you've got navigation that is built in, and you can also connect your phone to project your maps through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Different favorite settings you can add, compatible apps, and then all of your settings. And then you can set it to show what you need it to show, which is very convenient. So I believe this is to do with the def. So your traction control, hazards, hill descent control, lane assist, and then you have your different camera. This does have your 360 bird's eye view. Makes moving in and out of tight spaces very easy. And you can pan between different camera settings as well. Check out that bed. Whoop. Let's get back to this thing. All right, continuing with this, we do have our different audio controls and then our climate controls. This does have your tri-level heated and cooled seats. Very nice. And then coming down here, you do have your wireless QI charger and then your inputs for your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. That is your USB and micro USB. King Ranch badging. Plenty of space in the center console area. Get out of this here. Let's see, what else do we got? Oh, so we do have massage seating in this vehicle. It is for the front, for your driver and passenger seats. Very, very nice. I love coming in these nice vehicles and turning on the massage seats after a long and hard day. Dual glove box system, store what you need to. Panning up to the top. We do have dual sliding glass. We'll go ahead and open that thing up. And the visor is going to pan back for us. And then we can hit that one more time and it will open up all the way. And then you can also open up the window itself to expose to the outside. Got your back sliding glass, different auxiliary switches that with pre-ran wires that you can connect to different stuff like exterior lighting. And then let's pan around to the back. So plenty of space in the back. Beautiful interior touches. This King Ranch does have your dual level heated seating in the back and then 3 different charging options for the kids. Keep them entertained, keep the phones charged. But yeah, what a great truck. It was a pleasure doing this thing today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We will have more videos and content coming soon. This was Walker Paul Tedders, and we're with Jake Fry, the car guy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys later.